Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I want to thank you guys for 1K and subscribers. Thank you. You really like me. You really like me. I am so sorry that this video has been taking forever. I recorded some looks and didn't like the way they turned out. The camera was shaking, it was blurry, so I decided to go and get a tripod and try this shit all over again. I tried to like readjust the filming shit and the settings on the camera. So you guys give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe because I really did put in a lot of work into this. But let's go ahead and jump right on in to our first look. What are we gonna do? Have I done an orange? I don't think I've done an orange. Do I have like an orange palette? I do. Okay, let's do an orange with white liner. Let's see how that turns out. Okay, so we're gonna do these, and I don't know why I switched it all of a sudden, but I was like, I want to switch up, you know. Let's come out of my comfort zone a little bit. Let's do it. What happened to that brush I just had? Okay, here we go. Let me just go ahead and get the creases out of this before I apply my shadow. So we're going to start out with the lightest orange. There we go. And we're going to apply this to the lid. Y'all, I seriously have been trying to record for like the last 3 days. Today's Thursday. For the last 3 days, I have been trying to record and my camera has just not been cooperating, okay? First day, the battery died. The second day, it cut off like every time I was trying to shoot. Then like the third day, it was like super blurry. So I was like, I cannot upload this content. Like this just sucks. But today, we are really trying, guys. I mean, I'm not a YouTube professional, but I'm totally trying for you guys. And for that, I believe that your ass needs to go ahead and subscribe. I mean, I'm trying, okay? I'm really trying. This piece of hair, oh my gosh, every day. Okay, so we're gonna apply this to our crease. You guys know I like to do like a buildup of color. I just think it helps to like transition. I know some people go in with like the dark color and then they do the lights. I'm not really that girl. It's not my zhuzh. So we're not doing it. Oh shit. Damn. Try and see. You see? You see what happens when you get talking crazy? That was the spirit of the people who do the darks first. It's a bitch. Okay. Okay then. My bad. Okay, so I feel like this is built up enough. I mean, that's all I'm gonna do this morning. Look, I run late like every morning, even like the days I don't have to go into office because it's like the corona epidemic or pandemic. Is it pandemic? I think it's pandemic. I'm a beauty person, but not really into the world type shit. Anyway, I don't have to go into the office today because of that. But I'm even late to get up and still work from home. Like that's just what I do. It's my thing, it's my zhuzh, you know. All right, so now we're gonna go in with this deeper orange right here, and we're gonna use, are my titties coming out? Gosh, Lee girls, I need you to hang in there, okay? Hold on, take one for the team. Okay, so we're gonna go in with that orange color, and we're going to apply this all up in here, and we're also gonna kind of bring it over right to like the highest point of your brows, like the arch part. I mean, y'all know I'm not technical. I just be really trying for you guys. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna bring that over. I know somebody gonna correct me in the comments, so because they went to cosmetology school or esthetician school, whatever school they went to, I'm pretty sure they're gonna correct me, so whatevs. Okay, so we're gonna just kind of drag this over, back, one. That's what you need to think about when you're doing this. You need to think about Aaliyah, how she was back, okay, yeah. You little youngins probably don't know anything about that. Totally just dated myself, shit. All right, so we're gonna do this eye as well. Okay, and because I'm colorblind, like I wanted to go into like the red. I'm totally not colorblind, but I don't know how to put colors together. I don't know my color wheel. You know, what else? I still make cute makeup and that's all that fucking matters, so. OMG, my camera was doing so good, okay? You were doing so good today, but today you are shit. Now, I told y'all earlier in the video she has been acting a fool, and today she's been acting a fool. First she cut me off because the card reader, she said, was full, so I had to erase all of my storage. And now she's cutting me off because she just randomly stopped recording. So I'm not gonna keep on dealing with this disrespect cannon, okay? I am not. You're gonna get it together, okay? You're gonna stop playing with me. You're gonna stop trying my life. Anyway, alright, I need you to stay focused, okay? I need you to stay focused because she is acting a fool right now. Anyway, guys, I went in with this one, which is this like plumish color, before I was rudely interrupted by my camera. Went in with that color and I applied this to the crease literally the same way we applied it before, just kind of right here towards that arch. That's where we applied. And we literally blended it out. Now, I'm going to do my cut crease off camera because Miss Cannon is trying my life right now, okay? I don't know if you got any relation to Nick Cannon, but you're trying my life today, and I don't have time because I've been, two-piece juice. So, I'm going to finish this off camera before I make myself upset. I'm not finished the whole look, but let me just do my cut crease off camera, and then I will come back and we'll finish the whole thing. So, alright peeps, so I did a really quick cut crease on my eyes because I got to go. But I'm going to blend out these edges. You guys know I hate harsh edges. Like, I don't like that, okay? If you want to be my lover, then you gotta be my friend. The reason never end. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think that is perfect. So now we're gonna go in with our ColourPop Orangey Bat palette. Any orange will work. I just have these sitting around, so why not use them? Because they've just been sitting here forever. Alright, so we're gonna go in with this one and this one. I was thinking maybe I should go in with a different, but I'm not. I'm gonna remain simple today because I've already been extra and I already switched it from green to orange to purple. Don't know how I got here, but we're here, man. Alright, so we're gonna apply it. We're gonna start out with that tangerine dream. So we're gonna apply this white smack dab in the damn middle. Okay. And we're also gonna do this on the other eye. I know you guys have heard me say this. I will say it again. I am really into ColourPop shimmer. Oh my gosh, their shimmers are amazeballs. Can't knock them there. The mattes could use a little bit of work, but the shimmers, for sure. The shimmers are my shit. Why do I feel like this is the exact same look I did yesterday? But okay, we're gonna keep going. I don't know why I felt like these colors were a lot better. Like now I feel like I'm getting ready for Halloween. I mean, like this. Don't, like something inside of me is telling me to move on to like add some shimmer or some sparkle or some shit to this. My mind's telling me no, but my hands. Alright peeps, so unintentionally I fucked up my face. I decided to go in with the glitter. I was like, hey, we're gonna do a little glitter today and see how that turns out. And you guys have seen how it turns out. It looks a fucking hot mess. But that's okay, because we're gonna finish until the end. Not everything that you do was gonna come out right. But let's see if I can add like some white liner to this shit. Like, this is fucking crazy. Like, this is totally not fucking scripted. This is my ass going through life. I think I just fucked it up even more. OMG, what the entire fuck? So I initially was like, I'm just gonna add like a little bit of glitter, and then I didn't like the way that glitter turned out, so I was gonna add some more glitter, and now we are here looking like a freaking pile of leaves. bougie. Oh, Ari. Look at the entire book. So I decided to finish the look, and this is probably one of the worst looks I have ever done or felt about myself. I hate it. But because I was so open and honest and able to share the video with you guys, and I even finished, I believe that you guys should go ahead and give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for better content, because this is, wow, this is like, I feel like I'm getting ready to rake some leaves. And yeah. But anyway, these lashes that I have on are the Scarlet lashes. They are from the Arijaneparker beauty line. I am going to be having a sale soon, so make sure you guys be on the lookout for that. Don't forget to follow me on, what is that, Instagram at Arijaneparker, or you can also follow my lash line at Arijaneparker Beauty, whatever you guys decide. I am so uncomfortable with this look right now. Just not feeling it. But yeah, you guys go ahead and let me know what you think in the comments. I love you guys. Well, be careful in the comments. Don't go too far, because I would hate to have to block your ass. All right, love ya. Mwah.